Cleaning the tankless on-demand water heater. I'm Mike with Michael J. Turner Home Inspections, and today we're going to discuss how to clean the tankless on-demand water heater. Now, underneath the tankless water heater, you should see ports. Now, these ports are not for show. These ports are for the licensed master plumber to clean the system out once a year or annually. They're going to use some white vinegar in a 5-gallon bucket. They're going to pump the connected hoses, circulate vinegar through the heat exchanger. These are basically washer hoses. They're going to put this 5-gallon bucket down. They're going to put a recirculating pump, and they're going to connect it to the system, and they're going to circulate vinegar through the system once a year, and that's going to get rid of any kind of minerals or deposits that sit in there. Just like a tank water heater that sits in the home, you have to drain it and clean it annually. Same thing for the tankless on demand. Now, if you don't do this, eventually over time, you'll have lower and lower water pressure. So it's very wise to have this cleaned once a year. The last time I checked, they were running about $200 to clean the system, and it takes them about 10 to 15 minutes. So how does it work? Well, a tankless on-demand water heater, is going to open the valve when you call for water. The cold water is going to enter the heater through the flow sensor, which is going to alert the control module that the hot water is needed. The control module is going to turn on the fan. It's going to open the gas valve, and it's going to ignite the main burner. Yes, this water heater takes 120 volts of power. Water is circulated through the heat exchanger and is heated by the gas burner. As we can see here, this is the gas burner heating up the water. Now, the temperature sensor alerts the control module as the water temperature begins to rise. The control module may reduce the valve's gas input at the desired water temperature, which is the maximum setting usually of 120 degrees Fahrenheit. And when that hot water valve is closed, the flow sensor signals the control module to turn off the unit. So as soon as you call for hot water, you should get this hot water coming through. Thanks for watching this short video. Visit our website at turnerhomeinspection.com, like us on Facebook, or leave us a review on Google. Have a great day.